Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at Aquarius ascendant and the predictions for the month of October 2025. Now for you, the ascendant lord Saturn is going to continue to transit through the second house in a retro position in the sign of Pisces. Saturn here will continue to bring disciplined focus to the self-earned wealth and family matters. It will support long-term financial stability for you, but it will require a lot of patience at your end to build that stability, and this is a good time to strengthen your financial planning. Saturn is going to remain retro till the middle of November, so Aquarius ascendant people will see the pace of life plummeting. This will continue till the middle of November. Things will not move and they will experience some kind of a sluggishness in their lives. Presence of Jupiter in the fifth house is going to be beneficial for the Aquarius ascendant people, because Jupiter happens to be the lord of self-earned wealth for you, and its transit through the house of speculation till 17th of October is promising a good gains through the speculative markets. The lord of second and fifth is a good combination for success in the stock market, and 15th to 17th of October is a good time for you to book profits in the market. Aquarius ascendant people get benefited by investing in the stocks related to technology, real estate, fertilizers, alcohol, and tobacco, and they should look for investing from a long term perspective rather than going for a swing or a short term trade, because they are unable to take quick decisions that are very much needed in the stock market. Presence of dual signs in the second as well as in the fifth house also means that if they go for a short term trading, then those decisions will come to bite them, and that's why a long term investment is always preferred. If you're a student, then you will continue to benefit during the first half of October, and time from 10th to 14th of October is a time to excel in your studies or to appear for any kind of a competitive exams. Jupiter is going to shift to the sixth house in its exalted sign of Cancer, and is going to activate all the finance related houses. So Jupiter itself will be posited in 6th, and its two aspects on the 10th and the second house means that all the money related houses 2, 6 and 10 will get activated post 17th of October. So financially the next 3 months are going to be comparatively better when you see them with perspective of the year that has already gone by. Jupiter here in the sixth will also shift focus to the job stability and health, and you may see some expenses coming in because of your own health or due to the health of an elder member in your family. And you also need to be very careful about your health between 28th to 30th of October. Moon rules over the house of service for you, and moon has the tendency to move very quickly between the signs. So best time job wise for you during this month is going to be in the first week of October, and especially 4th to 7th of October is going to be a beneficial time for you to rise and shine at the workplace. This conjunction of Mars and Mercury in the ninth house is going to flame disputes with father or with your teacher or with your religious figures, so avoid arguments with them in this month. Rahu at the same time in the first house will continue to give you ambition and drive to succeed in the material world. You will not be satisfied with all the material things that you have in your life and will strive to go for higher things in the next 1.5 years. People with Rahu in the first house in their birth chart always rise above their level of their birthplace in terms of material gains and status. No matter whatever sign Rahu is placed here, it will always give that ambition and drive to such person to rise higher in the world. And during this transit of Rahu also similar results will manifest. This Rahu will push you to go for bigger gains by taking risks and adapting unconventional methods. So people who are undergoing Rahu's MD during this kind of transit of Rahu will definitely see these kind of things coming into picture during the next 1.5 years. Venus happens to be your most benefic planet and is going to become debilitated from 9th of October to 1st of November in the 8th house. Aquarius ascendant people always get benefited through females in their lives, and they should, that's why, take bath every day, use fragrance or perfume, or wear white clothes. All of these activities dial up the positive effect of Venus in their lives, and as a practice they should avoid wearing black or blue clothes or checkered clothes, or if you're a male then you should avoid keeping any beard or growing your hair, because all of these dials up the negative effect of Saturn, and Saturn also happens to be in a retro position at the moment. In general also you should avoid dialing up energies of Saturn, because that will make you more and more lazy and you will start to engage in procrastination, so that is not going to benefit you at all. But dialing up the positive energies of Venus helps to calm the mind, and it also brings a lot of comfort and material wealth for Aquarius ascendant people. So this is something that they should always strive for in their life in general. After 14th of November, all the Aquarius ascendant people will get a lot of relief, because Saturn will then become direct, and Saturn being ascendant lord plays a very huge role in the life of all the Aquarius ascendant people. This is one sign which has the tendency to work hard much more than all the other ascendants, and life also is not that easy for Aquarius ascendant people, but relief is definitely going to be there after 14th of November. So this is how this month is going to pan out in a nutshell for Aquarius ascendant people. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you next month.